Welcome to the world of MixAudio, where every creator's dream of effortless music making becomes reality. If you're looking to add the perfect auditory touch to your content, stick around and we'll explore MixAudio's harmonious blend of technology and artistry. MixAudio is an innovative audio software designed to cater to creators across various fields, including video producers, podcasters, game developers, and more. This AI-powered tool stands out by allowing users to generate and customize high-quality background music that's 100% royalty-free, making it an invaluable asset for content creation. Let's look at some of the features. So, AI music power generation is one. At its core, MixAudio uses advanced AI algorithms to create music based on inputs such as text prompts, images, or even audio clips. This unique feature enables creators to generate music that aligns closely with their project's mood, theme, or specific requirements. All the music generated with MixAudio is completely royalty-free, and creators can use this music in their projects without worrying about any copyright issues or even any additional fees. It's designed for all creators. So when you're a seasoned video producer, a budding podcaster, or even a game developer looking for the perfect background score, MixAudio is designed to meet the diverse needs of all creators. But what about when it's time to share your masterpiece? Well, the basic plan has you covered with 5 downloads per month, perfect for dipping your toes into the melody-making waters. Step into the personal plan for symphony of perks, like unlimited downloads and the freedom to monetize your content. For just $7.99 monthly when billed annually, it's music to any creator's ears. And for the virtuosos amongst us, the professional plan at $12.99 a month billed annually is the ticket to the big leagues. Advanced features and monetization across unlimited channels make it the choice for those who play to win. So let's have a look at some pros and cons. As a pro, it's got a high degree of music customization. It's got multiple input methods for generating music. 100% royalty-free music enhances its appeal for commercial projects. Also, its AI-powered efficiency could significantly reduce the time and effort that's required to find suitable background music. What's not so great about it? The quality of the AI-generated music, while impressive, may not always match the emotional depth and nuance of compositions created by actual humans. So here's some common questions that you might have for MixAudio. So can you use the music generated from MixAudio for commercial projects? Well, yes, because it's 100% royalty free. This is actually something that's suitable for commercial use. How customizable is the music generated by MixAudio? It's very customizable. You can guide the generation process using text, images, audio, or a combination of these inputs to ensure that the music fits your project's needs. Is there a limit to the amount of music that I can generate with MixAudio? Well, this depends on the plan that you choose, but it looks like for all the plans, you can generate an unlimited amount of music. The difference comes in when you want to actually download that music. The free plan offers 5 free downloads, and then once you choose the personal plan up, your downloads increase significantly. So you can get unlimited downloads in the personal plan going all the way up. So my final verdict. MixAudio presents a compelling option for creators looking for an efficient, customizable, and royalty-free solution to music generation. Its innovative use of AI to interpret text, image, and audio inputs for music creation sets it apart from the crowded field of other audio software. It's ideal for content creators of all types. MixAudio appears especially suited for those requiring a high degree of customization, especially in the background music. I would recommend starting with the free pricing plan, exploring MixAudio, and then making up your mind for yourself. And when you do, be sure to leave a review so that we all know what the experience was like for you.